In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Wix site efficiently using the tools available at manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Here's where all the magic starts. Next, locate the option to Edit Site. Click on this to open the Wix Editor, which is a powerful tool that allows you to customize every aspect of your website. Once your site is open in the editor, we want to focus on the header section, the very top area of your site. Make sure to click on the header so that it's selected. You'll notice that it's highlighted with a blue outline indicating that it's ready for editing. Now, with the header selected, look at the header toolbar and click on Change Design or Customize Design. This is your gateway to a plethora of design options that can help your site stand out. Here you can modify the background, add borders, adjust shadows, and fine-tune the transparency. Having these options means you can truly personalize the look and feel of your header to align with your brand's aesthetic. Let's delve into adjusting the background transparency as an example. Start by clicking on Background, then Color. You'll see an opacity slider appear. Moving this slider changes the transparency of the header. Setting it at 0% makes it completely transparent, while 100% ensures it's fully opaque. For a more nuanced background, you can also choose to apply a gradient or use an image background with partial transparency. This lets you create a sophisticated look that can complement the rest of your design. Once you're satisfied with how the changes look, it's time to ensure everything works seamlessly. Click on Preview to see how your new header looks with the rest of your website's content. It's crucial to ensure that all text and buttons remain readable against your new header background. If they don't, you might need to tweak the colors or opacity until everything is clear. Finally, when all looks perfect and you're happy with the outcome, go ahead and hit Publish. This step makes your changes live, allowing your visitors to see your updated and polished website. Congratulations on taking your Wix website one step further towards perfection.